The weighing process is a critical control point. Barcode labels are scanned, ensuring every python skin is traceable back to its origin. After being meticulously weighed, the python skins are hung to dry, awaiting the next stage of production.
Utilizing next-gen technology, the skins are lowered into these drums, beginning the crucial soaking phase of the transformation process.
True industrial craftsmanship is found in the details. The precision of the machine ensures every piece of python leather is stitched to perfection, built to last.